Hey everyone, welcome back to RevGen. My name's Mike and today we have an exciting topic for you. How to utilize the best outbound lead generation strategy for 2024. As technology continues to evolve, outbound strategies are evolving too. So if you want to stay ahead of the competition in 2024, then make sure you check out this video. So let's delve into the key components of the ultimate outbound lead generation strategy for this year. First and foremost, leveraging the power of personalized outbound communications is crucial. Whether it's through telemarketing, cold emails, or LinkedIn messaging, tailoring your outreach to the unique needs and preferences of your target audience can significantly improve response. Learn who your audience is and what their pain points and values are, so that content can be crafted around them. Check out the link in our description for a free buyer persona template. This personalized approach not only enhances customer engagement, but also increases the likelihood of converting leads into loyal customers. Cold emails are still a staple in outbound lead generation. However, the key is to go beyond generic templates. Craft compelling and personalized email messages that speak directly to the recipient's challenges and offer solutions. Think hard about what sort of calls to action suit your brand, as well as your email subject lines. A thoughtful and targeted cold email campaign can break through the noise and capture the attention of potential leads. We'll be posting a video with the most effective CTAs to drive your campaigns, so make sure you follow our channel. Alternatively, check our Instagram page if you prefer.